Okay, we're getting some significant accomplishments here now. She's coming together. The ceiling joists are all in. We got the wall framed in for the entrance coming up from the stairs. We got the partition wall for the bedroom. Now we're just going to build the bedroom walls with the closets. And then I got to define the bathroom area here to accommodate the washer and dryer and the bathroom. So this will be all big kitchen area. Now what I'm trying to do is, the plans call out 15'11" from here to the back wall where our kitchen cabinets are going to be. Well, 15'11" brings us pretty far out here, and then the cabinets will be out here. I mean, there's a ton of height. What I would like to do is get the approval to have the face of our countertop where you're standing at it, and we've got, you know, like 7 foot height at the face, and then let the countertop recess into the what you would commonly have as a storage area here. I just got to get the approval from my architect, and then we'll end up framing in a wall across here, and there has to be a door in here. So the wall here has got to come on, got to be here no matter what. We ended up with a 2x6 wall here. The old building was so crooked, it was a struggle. So this wall is going to go across here, and downstairs also I'm gonna make a change too, because we've got ductwork that's going to be coming up, and we could omit one of the beams that they had called out here. So I got to go down there and see if that can be done. So upstairs progressed. I'll get some siding in here. We can at least maybe get these dormers sided, and make everything outside is pretty wrapped up. I think I got 1 or 2 windows. I did change a big window downstairs too. We'll go over that in a second. Okay, in the downstairs, here's our front door. So now our new door is going to be, we got our hallway here. We left the existing wall here, and the closet was going to be bumped in as deep as this beam is. There is a beam underneath here. So this closet obviously isn't supporting, and this was existing. I want to make sure we can get away with it, because what we're going to do is, what he called out originally was to header this and go all the way over to the wall of the bathroom, but not the wall of the bathroom. Actually is moved into right around here, because it's only 5 foot from here. So he was called out to put a beam in across there, and then a Tico bracket with a beam going all the way to the end of the closet area. And what I wanted to do is, because we're going to end up down here is going to be our heating ductwork, and the bathroom wall is going to end right about where that mark is on the floor, right where this white is here. I wanted to make a closet area here for raceway coming up for the ductwork. So, and if I do that, then I can jack stud this section here. I can jack stud it, and then where our bedroom wall ends, which is right at this existing opening or close to it, this we can beam from there to there. We're going to need a 12 foot. I don't know what he's calling out for, 10 inch or 12 inch. I got to check to see. And then we can, run our raceway for our ductwork up there for both upper and low. I wanted to get the lowers down into the floor, but I don't have enough room to do that. There just is not enough space between the bottom of the joists and the ground. So it looks like both of the ducts are going to have to come up. The upper obviously can support the uppers, and then the lowers, I wanted to see about bringing the ductwork through and back down the walls to where the warmer is being forced down. I got a heating guy I'll be talking to shortly on that. So that's what we had a beam calling out to go from here to there, and then a Tico for another beam going all the way to the closet wall. But what I want to do is omit this one here, because we're going to end up with a corner post there no matter what that we can jack stud, and then we can deliver this load down to the concrete wall that, or the brick wall that we, cinder block wall that we have below this here. So we'll make sure there's a direct delivery there, and then just run the beam in here. This would be jack studded. I don't know what's in here. Actually, yeah, it's going to be right above this post. So, okay. No, it won't. It's got to be back here. The beam's got to be back here. So I guess I got to find out what I have here. So that might be the fly in the ointment. So I'm going to need to know. Okay. This we changed to just a big open window here. We had a window that we were able to recycle. We just took it out of a house that was only about 5 years old. And what I want to do is I'm going to open this up, this little kitchenette area. I'm going to open it up, leaving the post in the middle, either a half wall or a full wall, overlooking into the living room to get a little bit more open space. Okay, so we ended up, we're going to be leveling this floor out. You can see how there isn't hardly any room underneath these joists. So I cannot get the ductwork here. It does decrease, so it can probably get the ductwork up to this far down there, which is really what I'd like to do. Then I got the cold air blowing in from the sides there that I got to deal with. So I'm trying to coordinate meeting with my heating guy to come up with that game plan. And of course we got to make sure that we got, well, the heating and the hot water tanks are going to be down here, so this room is going to stay warm. That's not a problem. We ended up putting these stairs out here because they were called out to stop back here. We created more room, and we're going to end up being able to put a 36-inch door right there, and we're going to put a wall at these stairs here. So this is going to be a big landing here, about 4 foot by 5 foot, something like that. And then we'll get this ceiling area all straightened out. Coming along.